In the daily operation of coil perforation machines, the maintenance of punching dies is a critical factor in ensuring equipment precision, extending die lifespan, and guaranteeing production stability. If the back of the punched sheet is rough or the servo feeder encounters resistance, the punching blades and pins need to be ground. First, Kingriel demonstrates grinding the punching blade. Workers need to remove all the screws securing the mold and detach the punch blade from the mold assembly. Then, using simple cleaning tools like cloths, the punch blade is first cleaned. Finally, it's placed on a grinding machine, where the punch blade is ground on a surface grinder, needing to be ground to a thickness of 0.05 to 0.10 mm each time. Excessive grinding will reduce the mold's lifespan. The second step involves grinding the punch components. Workers use tools to disassemble the mold assembly, exposing the core punch blades and punch pins, and remove all internal springs and parts. They must also adjust the setup to ensure the pins protrude by approximately 2 mm. When grinding, use a surface grinder and remove 0.05 to 0.10 mm of material per pass. Avoid excessive grinding, as this will reduce the service life of the pins. Once completed, the die can be installed on the coil perforated machine to resume continuous punching operations. A systematic and standardized die maintenance regime is the fundamental guarantee for ensuring the coil perforated machine operates with long-term stability, high precision, and low energy consumption. The costs associated with neglecting maintenance, such as downtime, scrap, and die repair expenses, typically far exceed the investment required for regular maintenance. Kingriel is a professional manufacturer of coil perforated machine. Please contact Kingriel for further information.